This video will show you how to use Zoom Rooms on Lenovo Smart Collaboration devices. On the home screen, you can start a meeting by selecting a scheduled meeting, clicking New Meeting, or if you have a meeting ID, you can join a meeting by selecting Join back on the home screen. Under the Contacts section, you can meet with contacts by selecting their name or selecting Meet to start a video or audio meeting. While in a meeting, your screen will provide several options and settings for your meeting. You can mute your microphone, toggle your video on and off, share the screen of the device connected to the HDMI port or through the mobile app, see security options, change the view mode like speaker or gallery view, control your camera, manage participants, and invite new people to the call. Press the record button to record the meeting. Hitting the More button gives you access to features like chat reactions and closed captioning. Back on the home screen, click Settings to enter System Settings. The General tab will let you see your device information, meeting ID, set your device theme, and access Windows settings and power options. In the Microphone tab, you can adjust settings for your device microphone and access advanced features like echo cancellation and noise suppression. The camera and speaker settings let you select the connected audio and visual peripherals you want to use. Finally, you can send problem reports by selecting the Help tab. For more information on your smart collaboration devices, subscribe to the Lenovo Support YouTube channel or visit smartsupport.lenovo.com.